students, in this video we will see some miscellaneous problems related to complex number. Problem is if alpha and beta are different complex numbers with mod b in a modulus of beta is equal to 1, then you have to show mod b minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta is equal to 1. Dear student, this problem is totally based on the properties of complex numbers. We have to prove mod beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta in mod is equal to 1. So, we should write beta, see the step carefully, beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta. Okay? We will square of this. Okay? See carefully. This will equal to beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta and beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta whole conjugate. This is a property. Square of mod of any complex number will equal to that complex number into conjugate of that complex number. So by using this, we get this result. Now, see, this is beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta here. See this step, this will equal to conjugate of beta minus conjugate of alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha, again conjugate. See carefully this step, this is conjugate of beta. See this step carefully, beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta as it is first part, this is second one. This is conjugate of beta minus conjugate of alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of the conjugate of any complex number will equal to only that complex number, that is conjugate of beta. Now simplify, then we will have beta into conjugate of beta minus beta into conjugate of alpha minus alpha conjugate of beta minus alpha into conjugate of alpha upon, do here product in denominator part, then we will have 1 minus alpha conjugate of beta minus conjugate of alpha into beta plus alpha into conjugate of alpha and beta into conjugate of beta. See these results very carefully. Now see next step, that is applying the previous property. Then this will become 2 mod of beta complex number whole square minus, this is be arranged like this, alpha conjugate of beta minus beta and conjugate of alpha, and see this one, apply this property, we will have this see the product again, minus alpha minus, it means this will equal to, see here, minus and minus, this will be plus. So plus plus, that is mod alpha square upon, see here, 1 minus alpha conjugate of beta minus conjugate of alpha into beta. See here, this alpha into conjugate of alpha will equal to mod alpha square, same position is here, mod beta whole square. Okay. Now see this step, we can arrange like this, alpha square minus alpha conjugate of beta minus beta conjugate of alpha and plus mod beta whole square. See here, this is 1 minus alpha conjugate of beta minus conjugate of alpha into beta plus mod alpha whole square into mod beta whole square. Now it is given mod beta square is equal to 1. So you will get here alpha square minus alpha into conjugate of beta minus beta conjugate of alpha plus 1 upon 1 minus alpha conjugate of beta minus beta into conjugate of alpha. There is no difference, alpha conjugate of alpha into beta or beta into conjugate of alpha. This is mod alpha whole square, this is equal to 1. So see, these two terms are same. So finally you will have 1. This is the value of beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta whole square is equal to 1. Therefore, beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta is equal to 1. Proved. This is the way to solve complex number problems by using some properties.